Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to create viral shorts using AI apps. So if you want to make short form video faster, just follow along. First, you need an AI script tool to create your video and structure. For this, you can use tools like Claude AI or other writing apps to create hooks and short scripts. Next, create visuals using AI video tool. Apps like Runway, Pika AI, and Kling AI can generate video clips for your shorts. And after creating visuals, you can use AI voice tools like 11 Labs to create narration. Then edit everything together using an AI video editor like CapCut AI. CapCut can automatically add captions, effects, transitions, and improve your short form videos. And for viral shorts, focus on a strong first few seconds, fast pacing, and content that keeps viewers watching. So that was how to create viral shorts using AI. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.